Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make sure we insert the equation. So here we have a new equation, which will be open parenthesis, 4x squared minus 7x plus 3. And then we're going to add to it 2x squared minus 2x minus 5. This is going to be the given expression, so that's all of the writing for line 1. For your algebra tiles, we actually don't need any backgrounds, so you can remove your background if you'd like. And then we're going to draw 4x squared, and I'll make this a little larger. We're going to draw the 4x squared minus 7x. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Negative 7x. You just click the tile one time to make it negative. And then we have our plus 3 at the end. So 1, 2, and 3 positives. Since we're on the same side of the mat and not the opposite side, we are now going to put positive 2x squared, negative 2x, and negative 5 ones. So here we have our positive 2x squared. We have our negative 2x and negative 5 ones. So I want to point out that each of these, oh, I can't cross tabs. So the 4x squared here was drawn at the top, negative 7x, negative 7x's, positive 3, positive 3 ones. Notice that I'm not combining like terms yet, so each one is being separated by the parentheses. This is when you take your picture and put it into your Google Doc. So the next part, I'm going to start with the writing. We are going to move like tiles together. This means moving the x squareds together, the x's and the ones. So here I have my x's and my x squareds. I'll make this a little bit larger. So there are my x squareds. I'll put all of my x's together. And then all of my ones together. So because we're trying to show all of our steps, I'm not making 0 this time. All I did was put like tiles together, which is the same thing as combining like terms. Then we write exactly what we see in terms of tiles for our equation. We have 6 positive x squareds. We have negative 9 x's. And then we have 3 ones that are positive and 5 negative ones. The very last step would be to remove all the zeros, just like we did on the first problem number 4. The only zeros that we have in this one happen to be the ones. So we have a 0 here. Positive 1 and negative 1 make 0. So all of those are zeros. So you remove those. Take your final picture. And this is your simplified expression that you would write for line number 3. I often like to copy and paste my expression so that I don't have to type as much. Finishing problem number 5.